here, the number in front of x squared is also 1. Okay, right. So if the number is 1, it is very simple. First of all, you make the square bracket like this, right? Square bracket. What you need to write inside the square bracket? X, then the B here. This is A, this is B, this is C. Yeah? The B here is -4. You just divide by 2, right? Then after that, you minus the number inside the bracket square. Then you simplify. That will be in the form that you can sketch. Next, we are going to look at quadratic function, right? But the coefficient of x squared, that is the value of a here, is not 1. Can you tell me what is the value of a here? Ax squared plus bx plus c.
2, +2.
Positive 2. Very good. It's positive 2. So if there is a number in front, you must take out the number in front. So if I take out this number in front, 2, then the x squared will only become x. Then the second term here, -4. If I take out 2, what will be inside the bracket here? So if I take out the number 2, means I have to divide by 2. -4 divided by 2 is -2. So now the problem x squared minus 2x becomes something like this. No more x squared in front. No more x squared in front. How are we going to complete the square for this? Okay, so we complete the square, create the square bracket. Then this b here, you divide by 2. Not b already lah. Don't know what you call this. The number inside the bracket here, you divide by 2. -2 divided by 2 is -1. Then you minus this number square, 1 square. 1 square, right? This already completed the square, right? Already completed the square. Okay, something wrong. There's something wrong here. Okay, so this is -1. This is -1. Okay. Okay. Then after that, this is here divided by 2 is -1. That's why this is -1, right? Then this is -1. I must minus the 1 square here. Okay. Whatever I do here is within the bracket. Is within the bracket. So that means the 2 here belongs to the first bracket. The 2 here also belongs to the term behind here. The term behind here. So when I multiply the 2 will stop in front of the bracket here. They cannot go inside the square bracket. When I use the 2, I multiply inside, the 2 will also stop here. They cannot go inside the square bracket. Okay. Then it will become like this. it will become like this. Okay. The 2 in front of the square bracket, then the 2 I multiply with the 1 square. 1 square is actually 1. So 2 multiplied with 1 is 2. Right? Then because it's minus, so here all minus. Then how about the 3? The 3 is all the same until here. No need to change the 3. So the square bracket already removed. So these two terms, I can add them together. Negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. Then this term here, the 2 cannot go inside the bracket. The 2, you have to leave it inside. Okay, so it will be like this. So this is how we complete the square. If the value of A here is not equals to 1, you have to take out this number first. If this number is 2, then you take out 2. If this number is 3, then you take out 3. If this number is negative 1, then you take out negative 1. Okay, so it involves one extra step. So how to this one? Okay, the first step is, what must you do? The first step is you must take out the coefficient, right? Take out the coefficient A. Take out the coefficient A. Then, so this one, take out the 2, the x square, no more 2. Negative 4, if you take out 2, that means you divide by 2. No? Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. So all these two terms, I lump together like this. Then the constant term behind, just copy down. Don't do anything to the constant term behind. So far, the first step can follow or not?
Can.
Can, okay. Now, after taking out this 2 here, I am left with 2 terms inside. But now the value of in front of the x square is no longer 2. It's just only 1. So if the number in front of x square is 1, I can easily complete the square like what I have done here, right? Just this number divided by 2, then I put inside the bracket. So here, these 2 terms, I want to complete the square. So this one, I put down x square, I put down x. This number here, I divide by 2. This number divided by 2 is negative 1. Okay. So what is the second step? Divide. Second step. Where is it? Here. Divide the coefficient. Divide the coefficient of x by 2. Is there any difference between the first step and the second step? The first step is I take out the coefficient 2 here. Because the number here is 2, I take out 2, so here I divide by 2. But if this number is 3, then here I must divide by 3. So the first step is you follow the A, the coefficient of x squared. However, the second step here, from here to here, you, whatever the number that is here, you just divide by 2. No other number. It's always this number divided by 2. So it's, you see, divide the coefficient of x by 2. I didn't say divide by a, no? Okay, it's divide by a. Divide by a. Right? So to take out the a means to divide by a. But the second step is not divide by a, no. The second step is divide by divide by 2, you know. The second step is divide by 2. Can you see the difference or not? The first step is divide by a. The second step here is divide by 2. So here divide by 2, then here you minus this number squared. So can follow or not the second step?
Divide 2.
Here always divide by 2 one. Here always divide by 2. Here, from here to here, you divide by a. From here to here, you divide by 2. Okay or not?
One more time, come on.
Again,
One more time.
one more time. The first step, I take out the coefficient of x squared. That means I must take out this a. I take out a, the a is 2. I must divide by a, so I divide by 2. Okay, so this is the first step. After completing the first step, here to here, I don't divide by a already because here no more a The a already taken out. So I look at this here. The coefficient of x to here, from here to here, you divide by 2. Not divide by a, but divide by 2. Always 2, you see here? See, divide by 2. I didn't say divide by a. So from here to here, I divide by 2. So negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Then I must minus this number square. The 3, don't do anything, just copy down. So far, okay or not?
The another -1.
Minus 1 is this one. This number. This number square is this number here. Let me use a different color. Use a different color. Okay, I use different color here. Okay, here, this one is divide by 2, it become 1, negative 1. Then how to get this? This number 1 here comes from here. Comes from here. If this number is 5, then I minus 5 squared. If this number is 4, then I minus 4 squared.
Okay.
Okay. Then this 3, I just copy down. You have to copy down the 3. Okay. Next step is, I have to take this number, I multiply inside here, and also I multiply here. Sorry. How to undo, Okay. It means that I have to take this number, I use a different color. Different color so that you can see. Okay. Now after getting this step, these 2, you need to multiply inside here. Put it before the square bracket. This number, you multiply here. That is why you see a 2 here and also a 2 here. So the third step, is to open the square bracket. Open the square bracket, the rectangular bracket. Rectangular bracket. Open the rectangular bracket means this rectangle here, and this rectangle here, you have to take the coefficient, multiply back to the square term. This coefficient multiply back to the square term here. So as a result, you see the 2 in front of this square bracket, and you also see the 2 in front of this square here. So far, can follow or not?
Can.
Okay, oh, very good. So this is the third step. Okay, then the last step is, since you multiply in already, no need to put the square bracket anymore. Just throw away the square bracket. Then you simplify this number with the number behind. This number with the number behind is minus, then become 5. Okay. So the fourth step is simplify. Simplify the constant term. Constant term. Constant term means the term has no x one. This is no x, or this one also no x. You combine them together, right? So you simplify the constant term. The constant term is 5. Can follow or not? Okay, can follow, right. So after getting this final step here, can you tell me how to draw the curve? How to draw the curve? Okay, here, here. What is the axis of symmetry? What is the axis of symmetry?
Positive 1.
What? Positive 1? Negative 1?
Positive 1.
Positive 1, correct. So this is the axis of symmetry. So put like that lah. So this is x equals to 1. Okay. Then I start from here, move up or move down?
Move down.
Move down how many steps?
5.
Very good. So this will be negative 5. Can you tell me this point is the maximum point or minimum point? U shape or N shape?
U shape.
U shape.
N shape.
U shape. U shape. Nice, like that. Nice. Not nice. I don't know how to control the mouse because I have no stylus pen. Right. So this is the U shape. If N shape, then you have to draw like that. You have to draw like that. Can you tell me what is this number here? The y-intercept.
2.
The constant term. Ax squared plus bx plus c. It's not 3. Negative 3. These two numbers here and here, you have to solve this equation. Can you solve this equation and tell me what are the numbers here? Ax squared plus bx plus c. You use your calculator. Tell me what are the two numbers so that the graph will be perfect.
Negative 3 plus I divide 2.
Negative 3 plus
Negative 3 plus I divide 2. And
plus
negative
I.
3 minus I divide 2.
Why I?
The calculator.
Calculator say I ah.
Ah,
I means complex number, That means there is no root, It cannot be lah. Let me see. Negative 3. This one -1, -2 squared. It's not. Let me see. This one is from here. X equals to minus b is -4 plus or minus square root of b square. B square means 16. 16 minus 4. A is 2. C is -3. Then divided by 2A. A is 2. So negative become positive. Positive 4 divided by 4 is 1. Plus or minus square root of this one is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 16. 40, sorry. 40 divided by 4. So it's 1 plus or minus, take out 4. Take out 4 becomes square root of 10. Square root of 10. Then this one is 2. Okay, so it is negative 1 point 0 point something. Root 5 is 2 point something. 2 point something divided by 2 is 1 point something. This is negative 0 point something. Then if plus is positive 2 point something. 2 point something. This is 1 point something. 1 point something plus 1 is 2 point something. Okay, so this one is negative 0 point something. This is 2 point something. You use this formula or not? Or you key in the wrong number inside. This should be the one. A, B, C. A should be 2, B should be -4, C should be -3. 4AC. Negative B, B square minus 4AC. Right? So this is the calculation. So far, any question?
no.
No question. No question, then I drop off this. Okay. So I leave this here, all the working here and the working here. Right. Now I ask you to do this one. This one, there is a number in front of x. You have to take out the a. Take out the coefficient a. So the a here is 2. So you take out 2 and it will become like this. The positive 5, you just leave it behind. That is the first step. Now, after you take out the 2, you have to complete the square like this. Okay? This will be 3. This will be 3. Then 3 divided by 2 here will be 3 over 2. Okay? So, I don't want to tell you what to do. You just look at this step, you follow here. You follow here.
Mm.
First step, what to do, then you see here, then you write here. Second step, what to do, then you write here. Third step, what to do, then you write here. You just follow this exactly the same. This one you just do here. Then you show me, then you, this one I don't know whether got roots or not. The graph later, you just show me this one, how to complete the square. Can or not?
Can.
You see here one step, then you do one step. You see here one step, then you do one step. Okay or not?
Mm.
Okay. So I give you five, so around 5 to 10 minutes like that. You try out, then you WhatsApp me, right? You WhatsApp me the answer. I don't want to rub off this. You just refer to this.
The first step, the 4 is become divide to become 2x.
I'm back. Can or not?
The second step, the x2 minus 2x, the 2x is from 4 divide 2 become
Yes,
2x.
yes, correct, correct. Yours, the number here will be 3 plus 3. Your number here will be plus 3. Sorry, here. Here plus 3, correct? Because divide by 2 ma. Divide by 2, this one will be x squared. This one divided by 2 will be plus 3x. Then this step. Okay, right. So here 2, 3, 5, correct. 1.5 minus 1.5 squared plus 5. Oh, this is good. This one correct. This one is, oh, this one I have to see 225. 225, 4.5, correct. Then this is plus 5. This 0, 0.5. This is 0.5. This is 0.5.
1. Oh,
Negative 4.5 plus 5 is positive 0.5. Okay. So show. Oi, 1.5. Oh, I use this 9 over 2. How come this one becomes 7? Wait, this is positive 5. Positive 5. This is positive 5. This is positive 5. This is positive 5. This is positive 4 over 4.5. This is positive 0.5. Now, this is positive 0.5, positive 1 over 2 lah. 1 over 2. So, safe. So, your completing the square is correct. Okay, no, not this one. This one is the other day one. This one, only here wrong. Only here wrong. I tell you where. This one. This is still correct, right? This is still correct. 4.5 and 5 is correct. 4.5 and 5, this is 0.5. Okay, right. So can I delete off everything?
yes.
Can, so I delete off everything, clear everything. Your picture also I delete off because this is correct already. This one also I delete off. This one last week one. Okay, so coming. This is the one. So this is our answer, right? This is our answer here. Now, can you draw this? Can you draw this? Huh? So it's like this. We sang it. Okay. So this is the why my hand today say My hand today very not good. Okay. So this is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. Can you tell me how much is the axis of symmetry?
1.5.
Not 1.5.
Negative 1.5.
Very good. Negative 1.5. So this is x equals to negative 1.5. Next step, what must I do?
Go up
Up how much?
0.5.
Very good. 0.5. 0.5. Okay. So this one is a U shape or N shape?
And U shape.
Okay, U shape, right? So you won't cut the x-axis lah. It won't cut the x-axis, but it will cut the y-axis. How much is this?
5.
Positive 5. What is the minimum point? Negative 1.5, comma 0.5. This is the minimum point. Okay. Then minimum value 0.